Do you know exactly what's inside your computer? What's your processor? How much RAM do you have? Is your storage an SSD or an HDD? And what graphics card are you using? You don't need to install any third-party software to find out. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to check your PC's full specifications using tools already built into Windows. Let's start with the easiest method, and you don't need to download anything. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on System, then scroll down and select About. Here you'll see some of the most important information about your computer. Under Device Specifications, you'll find your processor, the amount of RAM installed, and your system type. For example, you might see a 64-bit operating system, which is what most modern computers use. Scroll down a little further and you'll find your Windows specifications, including the Windows edition and version you're currently running. This is the fastest method if you just want to quickly check the basic specifications of a Windows PC. Now, let's look at a more detailed method. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a small window, click More Details. Then select the Performance tab. Start with CPU. Here you can see the processor model, its current speed, and how much of the processor is being used. Next, click Memory. This shows how much RAM is installed and how much is currently being used. Click Disk, and Windows will show information about your storage drive and its current activity. Finally, click GPU. Here you can see your graphics processor and monitor its usage. Task Manager is especially useful because you can see both your hardware information and how your computer is using those resources in real time. Let's take a closer look at your storage. Open Settings, go to System, and select Storage. Windows will show you how much storage your computer has and how that space is being used. You can see categories such as installed apps, temporary files, documents, pictures, and other files. You can also return to Task Manager, open Performance, and select your disk. Depending on your computer, you'll typically have either an SSD or an HDD. SSDs are generally much faster, especially when starting Windows and opening applications. Now, let's go deeper. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. Type MSINFO32 and press Enter. This opens a Windows tool called System Information. Unlike the basic settings page, System Information gives you a much larger amount of information about your computer. At the top, you can find the manufacturer and exact model of your PC. You'll also find a processor, installed memory, BIOS version, Windows information, and other system details. This tool is particularly useful when you're looking for your exact computer model or trying to find compatible drivers and hardware. If you're interested in gaming or video editing, you'll probably want to know exactly what graphics card your computer has. Here's another built-in Windows tool that can help. Press Windows and R again, type dxdiag, and press Enter. When the DirectX Diagnostic Tool opens, click the Display tab. Here you can see your graphics card name, manufacturer, display memory, and driver information. This is useful when checking whether your computer meets the requirements for a game or a particular software application. Here's one more piece of information that's very useful, especially if you own a laptop. Go back to System Information and look for System Manufacturer and System Model. This tells you the exact model of your computer. Why is this important? If you need to download a driver, find a BIOS update, replace a laptop battery, or upgrade your RAM or storage, knowing your exact model can help you find the correct compatible parts and software. So instead of guessing your laptop model, you can find it directly inside Windows. So, let's quickly recap. For basic specifications, use Settings and go to System, then About. For CPU, RAM, storage, and GPU information, use Task Manager. For detailed system information, use System Information with the MSINFO32 command. And for detailed graphics information, use the DirectX Diagnostic Tool with dxdiag. All of these tools are already included with Windows, so you don't need to install extra software. And that's how you can check your PC's full specifications using Windows. If this tutorial helped you, Give the video a like and subscribe to Dawit Technology for more simple tech tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what processor, RAM, and graphics card does your PC have? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.